Rock front and back, really stretching through the right calf. We really want to kind of pump the right calf here best you can. So good for the body. Give the calves some love. All right, bring that right knee in. Keep your right toes curled under as you send your left toes back. Same thing. And you can think of this like your spine is kind of sawing front and back, front and back. Lovely. Then bring both knees in. So you have two opposite types of qualities, right? Two opposite qualities. We're gonna inhale in, exhale, curl the toes under, and send just the right foot back. Both toes are curled under, but just the right foot is reaching back. These two opposite types of movement. Then bring the spine to neutral. If you're on your fists, bring the fingertips wide.